Hey guys, and welcome back to another vlog. In this vlog, I am filming some fashion content, and basically what I'm going to be doing is filming all of the wardrobe that I will no longer be wearing. Yes, you heard me right. I will no longer be owning these items. I'm actually doing a closet purge. So yeah, stay tuned. Also, if you're new here, my name is Nisha. If you are returning, hey girl, let's go ahead and jump right in.
Beto, 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 Beto. Let's go, let's go. She's a good girl, tell her let go. She can't take up my monster no more. So, play with my answer, Dior. Live life on the hill, I can see her. Don't play with me, gangster, I don't see her. I stay with the team, she a Leo. It's a whole bunch of duds, we ain't cheater.
I'ma make it back and probably spend it on you.
Hey guys, and good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. In this particular vlog, I will be moving my things around in my closet. It is organization day. If it's not one thing I do today, it is organizing this closet because this closet is atrocious. And dun dun dun. Things are absolutely everywhere, as you can tell. I'm also moving this dressing table to maximize storage. So let me get started on that, and I will check in with you guys soon. Never mind my face. I put on a little cut crease situation, and let me go ahead and clean that off because that's exactly what you see. I just have a little cut crease situation going on here, and yeah, I'm gonna also set my makeup with the Revolution setting spray. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that real quick. little better. But yeah, as I mentioned, I'm definitely getting ready to take a few photos. I have a little choker on here along with a sweater that I got from Amazon. In addition to that, I also, come on camera, you don't have to always autofocus on me. These little leggings, and I plan to fully do like a whole little outfit, but this is just kind of like what it's looking like so far. I got my silver bangles on as well. I feel like my makeup is looking pretty glazed donut-ish, but I prefer it a little bit more glossy instead of full matte. And that's not all the time. I do not want my makeup to be fully matte all the time. Sometimes I do need a little sheen, and I don't know why I'm like that, but whatever. Let me go ahead and continue to get ready for my day, and then we can kiki a little bit later. Hey guys, I think I want to go ahead and try to DIY this ombre sweater into maybe an off the shoulder sweater, and also crop the sweater a bit so therefore it looks a little bit more better. The sleeves also aren't really doing it for me.
I guess that's how I felt back then. Or maybe I heard it or read it somewhere. Back then.
Shit is strange, full load of chick, hold up, baby, Jordan Payne. I put that tape on my switch, perfect aim. Oh yeah, there we go, pink. She's not so fucking tested, and she care about what I think. She's not that like no other bitch, she care about what I drink. I think she's a fling, I think she's a playmaker. She should be on my team, she should get her a ring. Shit, it can't be me, but she can be on the team. Diamonds that come out the water, my side that come with a 2 young APs, looking like weeds. Habits inside and clean, shout out bleed. I told her I'm big like B, but she ain't believe me. Got an O on my chest, not S. I got O's on my big.
Hey guys, as you can see, I just made it home from work and I also picked up a few things from Amazon. So let's do an unboxing real quick because I have a lot to do today and I just wanted to show you guys what I got because it's just a few refills, nothing major, but let's do this quick unboxing real quick. As you've seen, I just came in the house with a few boxes from Amazon and I just picked up a few essentials that I needed for the home and also skincare because my skin is doing a lot better. As I said in my last vlog, I picked up a few things from Amazon that I feel that I needed. Probably didn't need, but I got them anyways. And I wanted to show you guys, so let's do some Amazon unboxing. First, I picked up this microphone and it'll definitely complement my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This is just a microphone, so therefore my sound quality can be a lot better than before. And I'll have this link down in the description. Also, I picked up a 5-count set of these faux tea tree lights, and with these ones here, they are battery operated. Not only that, they come with remote control. Anytime I need extra lighting around my home, I just turn on this bad boy with ease. So I picked up a 5-count set of this. Also, this will be linked in my bio as well. Next, bringing out the bad boy, and that happens to be a 9-count set of these faux candles, and these are amazing. I have them all around the home. They are battery operated as well. Not only that, they are remote control accessible. Just like this, pop it right on or turn it on with the remote control, and it creates such a wonderful ambiance in your home or wherever your space is. As you can see behind me here, I do have a nice subtle lighting system, and I love that whenever I just want very subtle ambient lighting in my home. So yeah, I went ahead and I picked up this on Amazon, and this comes in a set of 9. So go ahead and get you some, girl, because I know that you need some ambient lighting for your home. Moving on to beauty products, I went ahead and picked up a 4-count of these Medicube brightening gel masks, and these are all the hype, right? These ones here are really good for brightening and also discoloring any type of acne marks that you have on your skin, or just bringing like a subtle glow to your skin. Like, why wouldn't you want that, right? I plan on using this after taking off all my makeup and doing my skincare. And yeah, I got these on Amazon, and I think you should try it too, especially if your skin is especially dry or it lacks a nice healthy glow. This will do the trick each and every time. Go ahead and pick you up some, girl. Recently, I was gifted some compressed cotton towelettes for taking off my makeup or simply just cleansing my skin. And baby, tell me why I got my hands on a 100-count. These babies do the trick each and every time. I'm not the type of person that likes to touch my skin with my bare fingers. I do prefer like a makeup cleansing wipe or to go in with another method like a cleansing brush, but I felt like these would be easily disposable whenever it came time to just cleanse my favorite gel cleanser. Also, when I just want to refresh my skin with just some warm water and something with a nice soft texture. But yeah, I picked these up from Amazon. They come in a 100-count, and baby, they were super affordable. I will also have this down in my Amazon bio. So that was it for my Amazon haul. I'm about to put all this stuff up and then get ready for my very next task of the day. The day is never over. The tasks are never done. So yeah, girls, I'm gonna talk to you guys in a little bit. Oh yeah, update on the Playboy Cardi concert. That concert was so fire. I had such a really good time. Thank you so much for just watching some of my short, embarrassing videos of me just clowning online. But genuinely, I had the best of fun. Playboi Carti is really an amazing artist, and I love his sound. I love his beat. He's such an amazing, talented artist, and I respect him on those particular levels. But yeah, girlies, I'm about to go ahead and get back to what I was doing before I get tired, and I'll just save this for the next day. But yeah, y'all. Thank y'all for watching my vlog, and I guess I'll see y'all in the next one. Until then, take care, be safe, and God bless. Peace.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Ricky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I get hella free. Keep it me, never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get top in the morning, so I feel like baby king. What's his back? If I set it, so I dress like baby B. Put on clothes. I tell that nigga good, that nigga good. He like a baby, carry that all right here, all right here.